welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. I am back. I am here with the DIY avocado hair mask treatment. So this is the avocado mask that I made. Really creamy. I added, of course, avocado, olive oil, and raw honey. So if you want to know how I made it, just check out my previous video. So I'm not going to do too much talking. I'm just going to apply this to my hair. So let's get started. First I'm going to remove my earrings as if I am applying a relaxer. Okay, have my brush and here we go. And I'm going to use the whole, container. Try to anyway. That I got the mask applied to my hair. It's a little dark in here. Okay, now that I got the mask applied to my hair, I am going to put a plastic bag on my hair and I'm going to sit under a hot dryer for about 30 minutes. Okay, stay tuned. Okay everybody, I am back. It's been over 30 minutes. Okay, let me take it off my head. Okay. Let me go wash this stuff out of my hair and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay. This is after I've washed out the avocado hair mask, and this is the result. Alright, my hair is soft. It's really soft, and I don't feel no avocado clumps in my hair. It washed out smoothly. Alright, my hair feels so soft and it feels so good. So you guys, if you want to make the avocado hair mask, check out my latest video, and you know, and just apply it to your hair. And after you rinse it out, just go ahead and style your hair the way you want to style it. But stay tuned, I have another video after this applying my Crisco hair and body cream. So I will apply it to my hair. So stay tuned, and thank you all so much for watching this video. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and please hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss any of my videos, because I would love for you subscribers to come back and visit my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.